Hello everyone, today I will introduce everyone to temporary mail 10 minutes. After 10 minutes it will automatically create a new temporary mail. You access the link below the article, then in the website Temp-Mail.org you will see your email usage. People can use it to verify Facebook or Google accounts or can use it as a temporary mail to try the process of receiving mail of their written applications. Thank you everyone for watching the video.